previous generation has grown up playing lots and lots of outdoor games, but sadly nowadays children are forgetting the value of those traditional games. And that is where this interesting event takes place. Hello ladies and gentlemen, I Shreya Katyal welcome you all to today's talk. I'm standing at Ashok Vihar DAV Public School and today I'm going to take you to a very interesting event, that is the launch of Pittu in New Avatar. So let's visit the event and see what's happening around. So there's lots of energies in the atmosphere and we are of course breathing sports today. And I'm in conversation with the founder of game Pittu in New Avatar, Mr. Kamal Dogra. So let's talk to him and know about his concept. Hello sir, good morning. So यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि इतनी वाइब्रेंस है, इतनी एनर्जीज है और वो उसका रीज़न आप हैं आज. हम जानना चाहते हैं कि आज आप हम सबको क्या दिखाने वाले हो और हमें क्यों बुलाया आखिर यहाँ पे आज आपने.
सबसे पहले तो श्रेया जी थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर कमिंग. क्यों बुलाया उसका सिंपल बेटा है, आओ पिट्ठू खेलें. यही खेल के हम सारे बड़े हुए हैं, चाहे हम हैं चाहे आप हैं चाहे न्यू कमर्स हैं बच्चे, सभी यही खेल के गेम बड़े हुए हैं. द थिंग इज द मेन टुडे द मेन इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ द डे इज बिकॉज it is going to enter the book of history that the most beloved indigenous game of India is now going to conquer the world of sports very soon. It will show the power of Indian soil to the people of the world, what the strength, what the energy, what the enthusiasm, what the creativity, what the employmency, what the energy level it is creating in the youth of future and the youth of futures of the world, not only India. तो एक नए अवतार में देखेंगे इसको. इट्स अ टाइम मैनेजमेंट गेम. इट इज़ टोटली डेडिकेटेड टूवर्ड्स एम्पावरिंग वुमेन इन स्पोर्ट्स. इट इज़ द फर्स्ट वेंचर विच इज़ कमिंग एट कोएड इन द इंडियन हिस्ट्री. हमारा टाइम था कि हम लोग खाते अंदर थे और खेलते बाहर थे. आज टाइम उल्टा हो गया, बच्चे खाते बाहर हैं और खेलते अंदर हैं, जो अल्टीमेटली इफेक्ट उनकी हेल्थ को ही कर रहा है.
ये बहुत अच्छी ऑब्जर्वेशन आपने हमें बताई कि पहले हम लोग खेलते बाहर थे और खाते अंदर थे. आज हम खेलते अंदर हैं, विच इज़ लाइक वीडियो गेम्स, कंप्यूटर्स एंड यू कैन नॉट डिनाई दैट. और खाते बाहर हैं जंक फूड जंक फूड जंक फूड. सो वी आर स्लोली डाइंग एंड जस्ट इट्स अ हैवोइक फॉर आवर फ्यूचर. सर आप बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव यहाँ पर लेकर आए हैं हम सबको इंस्पायर करने के लिए. वी आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू द इवेंट एंड वी विश यू अ वेरी गुड लक फॉर ऑल योर endeavors.
A very good morning to one and all present here. On behalf of the entire DAV Ashok Vihar family, it is matter of great honor to welcome Mr. Sandeep Marwaha. He is a well-known international media person, director of Asian Academy of Film and Television and Asian School of Media Studies. He is the founder of Noida Film City in Noida. He has also been associated with the production of more than 45,000 TV programs and 100 feature films made by 100 different production companies for more than 50 television channels from his world-renowned Marwa studio. He has been nominated by the government of Chhattisgarh as the Chancellor of AAFT University of Media and Arts, Raipur. Sir, DAV Public School is indeed honored by your noble presence. Thank you, sir. We have among us our respected Vice Chairman, Mrs. S. Prabha Chandla. I would like to specially mention about our manager, Mrs. Adarsh Kohli, madam. She is a fountainhead of illuminating ideas and inspiration to all. Rotarian, Mr. V.K. Jain, he is the treasurer of board Pittu. And other Rotarian members, Mr. Bansal, president of Rotary, Uptown Rotary, Mr. Sushil Gupta, and so many Rotarians. Mr. Subhash Bhaskar, General Manager, MMTC, patron of game Pittu. Mr. Rohit Nijavan, Saga Sports, who is one of the sponsors for the game. Thank you, sir. Mr. Vipul Gaur, General Secretary, National Newspapers of India. Mr. Rohit, Director Marketing, Times of India Group. Mr. Ravinder, Media Head, MMTC. Mr. Vikram, Marketing Head, Jaipur Golden Hospital. We have today esteemed principals of different schools, Mrs. Khurana from Little Fairy, Mrs. Sudha Alok Bharti, and DAV Mrs. Rashmi Patel Nagar School. Welcome, ma'am. We have tried our best today to keep this game Pittu alive in your heart forever.
के स्वागत करावे सजली राहे मंगल गावे मन उपजी फुलवारी रे साजे गाजे बाजे गूंजे सपनोरी ये किलकारी रे वन उपवन अभिनंदन करता छाई घटा परियारी रे शक्कर भांको झांकी झांको हुई जश्न की ये तैयारी रे मन हर्षा धन बरसा धन सुखवारो जी रे
आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो
My dear friends, I'm so happy that you have taken so much of interest in this game. Let's start something today, and I'm sure, remember all of you, remember that this day, that in no time, Pittu is going to be not only national, but we'll all see to it that it should become an international game in no time. And the credit will go back to the school and to the students of this school, and especially the four teams from different schools who today is starting this Pittu game with such a great enthusiasm and with show. And last but not the least, I can only say that never ever feel disheartened if you don't win in any games or in any class. I am recollecting two lines कि विभासित कर गगन भूतल तिमिर को ज्योति देता चल निराशा के अंधेरे को मिटा दे ले प्रबंजन बल कहीं पूनम अमावस्या कहीं उलझन कहीं फिसलन कहीं कांटे कहीं पहरा कटिल बंधन यहाँ प्रतिकूल है सब कुछ कहीं मरुस्थल कहीं बादल मगर तू मुस्कुराता चल दिशाएं हो उठे उज्जवल मगर तू मुस्कुराता चल दिशाएं हो उठे उज्जवल थैंक यू वेरी मच
Today. I would like to know about your expression, your feelings, and you have witnessed this entire occasion. So what you have to say about today?
What an excitement. I'm so happy, I'm so thrilled, I must say. After probably many years, almost 40 years, I'm getting associated with this beautiful game called Pittu. And I'm so happy and so thankful to Kamal Dogra, who has taken so much of initiative to bring back this game into limelight. I think he deserves a special award for this. Pittu means coming back to the playground. That's the best part. Coming back from classrooms to ground, and it's an attraction. It's today a very beautiful attraction for all the kids who've been so overoccupied with their laptops and mobiles and mobile games. Now they are getting attracted to this beautiful game. They're fed up with probably footballs or volleyballs or basketballs. So for them, it's something unique, very different, extraordinary, and they are getting attracted to it. And I'm so happy that after seeing all these kids who are so excited with this new game.
Exactly, these bubbling faces, these innocent faces have charged us up. So, some message for the youngsters about the value of sports.
Well, the fact is that sports is not only the game. Sport is there to build in a real character within you. It brings back the sportsmanship. It brings back the balance into your body, your mind and soul. It gives you strength to fight with the circumstances. And sports makes you a gentleman. It makes you a perfect person. I'm so thankful to my school and my college where we were given such a beautiful opportunity to be part and parcel of not one but many sports. And I'm happy that I'm using all that caliber, that training and that kind of a setup back into my business today.
Beautiful. So, sports is not a part of your life, it's the start of your life. Thank you, sir. Thanks for inspiring us and coming and gracing this occasion. Thank you.
पिट्ठू पिट्ठू हम सबका बहुत फेवरेट गेम रहा है। हम बहुत छोटे छोटे थे जब हम पिट्ठू खेला करते थे और ये एक सबसे बड़ा हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ा इवेंट भी है और एक आज जो हमारा ये माहौल है एक तरह से मेले वाला माहौल है। और सबसे बड़ी बात ये है कि पिट्ठू शब्द हमारे डीएवी स्कूल से प्रमोट होकर जा रहा है। ये हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है और मैं अपने बच्चों को अपने जो खिलाड़ी हैं जो आज हमारे यहाँ पर हमारी प्रमोशन में खेल रहे हैं उन सबको ब्लेसिंग देना चाहती हूँ और उनको कहना चाहती हूँ कि ये जो है ना जैसे कि हमें पहले भी सर मारवा जी ने कहा कि ये जो हिस्ट्री में आपका स्कूल का नाम रहेगा तो इसमें हमारी जितनी एक्साइटमेंट है हमारे स्कूल की हमारी सबकी जो एक्साइटमेंट है हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है। तो थैंक्स टू मिस्टर मारवा एंड मिस्टर कमल ऑल्सो जिसने कि प्रमोट किया है।
बच्चों को क्लासरूम से बाहर लाकर प्लेग्राउंड तक उनको ये गेम दिखाया जा रहा है, खिलाया जा रहा है और ये उनकी फिजिकल फिटनेस को बढ़ाएगा। वो ग्राउंड में आकर एंटरटेनमेंट भी होगी उनकी और उसके साथ साथ फिजिकल फिटनेस भी।
Lot of luck, but luck comes from where? Only working hard. आइए, आप सबके साथ luck, God bless you. All the best.
Pittu in New Avatar. Pretty interesting, wasn't it? I'm sure that you have gathered a lot of knowledge from all these dignitaries. All their valuable words have touched your heart, and the event was really charging. That's all for today in today's talk. Aishra Katyal sign off for the day, but I'll be back with another amazing event for you. Till then, you keep watching MS TV Har Pal Aapke Saath and don't forget to stay connected with us.